Okay, so we put our best foot forward. Ha ha ha. The orange paint turned out much better than the pink, even though both are supposed to be UV reactive. The orange was significantly better. The black light is going strong. I'm really liking the, see if I fiddle with the light sensitivity here. We'll turn this down all the way. And the black light really pops the green rope well. These are gonna be some awesome shenanigans. But here we are, day one, test driving the stuff and all of its glory. The blacklight stuff looking good. Yep, definitely the green. Now, important questions are, once you get all the things done up, is how does it look on the floor? So just toss that shit in the middle right there. Yeah. Oh, didn't get. There we go. Yeah. That's a win for the day. Goodbye.